What's up, guys? Welcome to Science in 5 Minutes or Less. This is the third and last video for this week, which I will be in. But today we're talking about solubility curves, all right? There is a 14-minute video that you need to watch. That one's really good. This is just kind of like, I'm going to break it down as easy as I can. This stuff is hard, and hopefully it makes sense to you. If not, just go on and ask us some questions because this is hard. So don't feel bad if you're not getting it right away. Okay. This starts off with where we left off last time. Saturated, maximum. Unsaturated, below, not enough. And supersaturated, you went overboard. Too much. Okay. And that's going to fit into this. So I'm going to get right into an example problem so you guys can get it and get on out of here. Okay. So the example is, if you have 60 grams of whatever substance, it doesn't matter, 60 grams, right? When you go here, when you look here, that's the grams. When you look at the bottom of the curve, that's temperature. So we're adding 60 grams. So I'm just going to mark that really quick. Let me get my pen tool. Mark that right here, 60. Okay. And then, are you saturated, unsaturated, or supersaturated? So one thing to do is you have to break down this curve. And it's actually really easy. Unsaturated is below. It's not full. So that's perfect. It's below the curve. Saturated is on the curve. It's perfect. It's holding the maximum it can hold. And supersaturated, we said, is over. It's more than it can hold. So it'll be above because above is more than it can hold. So let's look at the example. Okay. Example, if you have 60 grams of whatever substance, are you saturated, unsaturated, or supersaturated? Okay, well, let's do it. 60 grams, I did it. I'm just going to do a giant line, because why not? For now. At 10 degrees, well, let's see, at 10 degrees, I would be at a special point. Let's pick red. I would be at this point. Would I be saturated, unsaturated, or supersaturated? Well, it looks like I'm above this line, so then I am supersaturated. Okay? Let's go to B. If you have 60 grams of whatever substance at 35 degrees, what would you be? So let's follow the black line again. At 35, well, now I am, right now I'm at the green line. I'm right on the line. And we said if I'm right on the line, I'm holding the perfect amount, the maximum. We say that that is saturated. Easy enough. And then the last one is at 100 degrees Celsius. Notice I'm keeping the 60 grams the same. At 100 degrees, what would it be? Well, at 100 degrees, I would be here, go to 60, do my little point, and am I above on the line or below the line? I'm below, so I would say that that is unsaturated. So that's it. You just have to see am I above, on the line, or below? Am I super saturated or unsaturated? Okay? This is the same example, but now I'm telling you that instead of whatever substance, I'm telling you it is KNO3. It's the exact same process. The only difference here is I'm telling you it's KNO3, and there's a bunch of different lines. All you got to do is find KNO3. That's the green line. It's the same exact line we did before. So let's just go over that quickly. So for the green line, at 10 degrees, if I have 60, that would be 10 and 60. I am above the green line. I am supersaturated. At 35, this one shows actually I'm above the line, so I'm still supersaturated. And at 100, it shows that I am under, which would be unsaturated. If you need help, let us know.